Good morning, student, and welcome to Sharad V. More English School online lecture. Now we are solving the problem set practice set 2.3. Now the last question of question number 3. In that we have to find out the which sets are like sets and which pair is unlike sets. कौन सा like sets का pair है और कौन सा unlike sets का pair है वो हम लोगों को देखना है. Okay, now see solution. Because the second set is not in the simplest form, वो एकदम से simplest form में नहीं है. So first we will bring it into the simplest form, 5 under root 5, and second one is under root 75. Now factorize the 75. 5 and 5, 5 and 5, 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 and 5, remainder is 2. 2 and 5 become 25. 5 5s are 25. Now 5 5 3s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. The factor of the 75 are 5 into 5 into 3. Now see the order of this set is 2. Now that 5 into 5, this will come out as 5. Now observe carefully the radicand. The radicand in the first sets and second sets are different. दोनों में क्या है? जो रेडिकेंट है, रेडिकेंट्स आर डिफरेंट. रेडिकेंट डिफरेंट है बट क्या है, उनका ऑर्डर सेम है. ऑर्डर सेम है. तो हियर वी विल राइट दैट द रेडिकेंट्स are different in 5 under root 5 and 5 under root 3. So therefore these are pair of unlike sets. Full stop. Okay, understood how to find out that the given sets are like sets or unlike sets. Now question number 4, simplify the following sets. Question number 4, simplify the following sets. Simplify the following sets. Okay, simplify the following sets. Now see the first one, under root 27. Under root 27. Now see its solution. Under root 27 is equals to 9 3 is 27. We know that 9 3 is 27, and the 9 is the perfect square of the 3, so that's why 3 will come out and 3 will remain inside. So now this is the simplest form of the under root 27. Understood, student? क्या करना है? You should know the factorization, and second thing you have to know how to take the square root and how to take the cube root of or any other roots. कैसे वो roots लेना है. Now see the next question. Next question is under root 50. Under root 50. Now see its solution. Under root 50 का solution निकालना है. तो see 25 into 2. Here you have to factorize in this form that one should be the perfect square number. एक perfect square number होना चाहिए. ऐसे में आपको क्या करना है? फैक्टराइज करना है. ओके, तो क्या मिला आपको फैक्टर 50 का? 25 into 2. Now here 25 is the perfect square number. So now take out the 5 as the square root of 25 and 2 will remain as it is here. Now third one. Third question. Third one is square root of 250. Square root of 250. Now factorize it. इसको factorize करना है आपको. तो now see the factors of the 250. You know that the 250 divisible by 5. So 5 5 जा 25, 5 0 जा 0. Now 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 5 0 जा 0, 5 2 जा 10, and 2 1 जा 2. The factor of the 250 are 5 into 5 into 5 into 2. ये इसके factors हैं. Now 5 5 जा 25, 25 5 जा 125, 125 2 जा 250. Now see the order of this third is 2. So here we have to make the pairs of the two same numbers. So now here there is only one pair of the same number, that is 5 into 5. So this 5 will come out as the square root, and this 5 and this 2 do not have their pairs. इनके pairs present नहीं है, that's why they will remain under the square root और under the radical sign. Radical sign के अंदर ही present रहेंगे. Now remaining two numbers to be multiplied, 5 2 are 10, तो 10 will remain inside, वैसे ही पड़ा रहेगा. Now see the next one. Next जो question है 112, फोर्थ वन, इसका फैक्टर्स करना है हम लोगों को. वन 112. Now see its solution. Under root 112. Now find out the factor. When you divide this with the 2, you will get 2 into 64. No, sorry, I have taken the wrong factor here. 112. Now 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4, 2 2 are 4. Remainder is 1, 1 and 6 16, 2 8 are 16. Now again divide by 2, you will get the 14. Now divide by the 2, you will get the 7, and 7 1 is 7. The factor of the is 112. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. ये जो है उनका क्या है, फैक्टर्स है. देखो मल्टीप्लाई करके चेकआउट करो दैट इट विल गिव द 112 और नॉट ऑन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, and 16 7 जा 112. Understood? Now we have to make the pairs of the same number. Same number की pairing करेंगे हम लोग, because order is 2 here. तो 2 order है तो क्या करेंगे, 2 same number की pairing करेंगे. And if order is 3 in case of the cube root, okay, so then we make the pairs of the 3 numbers. 3 number का क्या करते हैं हम लोग, pairs करते हैं. Now see, there are the two pairs. Now from one pair, the 1 2 will come out. From the next pair, the 2 will come out, and 7 is alone, so it will remain in the radical sign. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 under root 7. So this is the simple form of the square root of 112. Now last question of the question number 4 is square root of 168. Square root of 168. It's clear now. 168 का स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है हम लोगों को. तो now find out the factor of 168. 168, this is divisible by 2. 2 से divisible है because unit place have the even number 8. 2 8 जा 16, 2 4 जा 8. Again 84 divisible by 2. 2 4 जा 8 and 2 2 जा 4. 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2. Now 21 is not divisible by 2, so we have to think that this is divisible by which number. So 3 7 ja 21 and 7 1 ja 7. The factor of the 168, factor of 168 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. You remember that always when you don't know the number is the perfect square or not, then you have to find out the prime factors. Okay, क्या करना है आपको, prime factor find out करना. Now see, the 2 is the prime number, 3 is also prime number, 7 is also prime number. Now make the pairs, because your order of the surd is 2, so we will make the pair of the same two numbers. So now there is only one pair. Out of that, the 2 will come out, and the 2, 3 and 7 will remain under the radical sign. ये radical sign के अंदर ही present रहेंगे. So 2, now multiply and write again. 4 3 ja 6 and 6 7 ja 42. So this is the simplest form of the under root 168. It's clear now, student? Now question number 5. Question number 5 start करना है हम लोगों को. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज कंपेयर द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ शर्ट्स. अब कंपेयर करना है, शर्ट्स को क्या करना है, कंपेयर. तो व्हाट वी डू इन द कंपैरिजन, वी राइट विच इज ग्रेटर, विच इज स्मॉलर एंड विच टू आर द इक्वल. कौन से दो इक्वल है, कौन से दो में से एक ग्रेटर है और कौन सा स्मॉलर है. तो यही है क्या है, कंपैरिजन. Now see the first question of the question number 5, 7 under root 2 and 5 under root 7. So for comparison, we have to write the surd in the simple form. Okay, simple form means जो है outside of the shirt, उस शर्ट के जो बाहर जो भी प्रेजेंट होगा, we have to take it into the radical sign. उसको भी हम लोगों को क्या लेना है, radical sign में लेना है. Okay, now see the first question. Compare the following pairs of sets. Okay, full stop. Now first question under that, 7 under root 2 comma 5 under root 3. Comparison के लिए क्या करना है हम लोगों को, we have to bring the number which is outside into inside of that radical sign, and we have to make the order of set also equal. Now in your syllabus you have only the sets of order 2 and 3, and wherever there is a comparison, there the orders of the sets already same, उसमें same है. कहीं भी आपको क्या है, ऐसा नहीं है कि जिसका ऑर्डर सेम नहीं हो. अर्लियर पहले के पोर्शन में ऐसा था कि जब हम लोगों को क्या है ऑर्डर सेम नहीं रहता था, देन वी हैव टू मेक द ऑर्डर सेम. वहाँ पे भी ऑर्डर भी सेम करना पड़ता था, लेकिन अभी ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, now see the first question, 7 under root 2 and 5 under root 3. Now this is called the simplest form of the set. So now we have to bring this into the simple set. इसको simple sets में हम लोगों को क्या करना, कन्वर्ट करना है. 7 under root 2. 7 under root 2. Now the 7 is outside of the radical sign. When you take it into the radical sign, then you have to take the square of 7. क्या करना है आपको, स्क्वायर रूट पुट करना है और उसका क्या करना है, स्क्वायरिंग करना पड़ेगा. अंदर ले जाके रेडिकल साइन में क्या करना पड़ेगा, स्क्वायरिंग इनटू अंडर रूट 2. अब देखो ये जो 7 आउटसाइड में है उसको अंदर रेडिकल साइन के अंदर अगर हमको लिखना है, देन वी हैव टू स्क्वायर द 7. नाउ सेकेंड अंडर रूट 2 एज इट इज. नाउ सी स्क्वायर ऑफ 7 इज इक्वल्स टू 49 in under root 2. Now the order of both sets are same, दोनों sets के order same है, so we can write down both sets under only one radical sign as 49 into 2. Now 49 into 2 is equals to 98. Okay, now first number 7 under root 2 converted into the under root 98. Now second one 5 under root 3. ये 5 under root 3 है. We have to bring this 5 under the radical sign. So now draw the radical sign and under that write down the square of 5, because when there is a square of 5, then only the 5 will come out from the radical sign under root 3. Now square of 25 is 25. 25 into under root 3. Now see the order of both sets are same, and there is a multiplication sign between the under root 25 and under root 3. Now we can write down under the same radical sign 25 into 3. So this is equals to 5 into 3 is equals to 75. कितना मिला हम लोगों को 75. Now observe carefully. This is the under root 98 and this is the under root 75. यहाँ पे under root 98 है और यहाँ पे क्या है under root 75 है. And order of both sets are same. दोनों के orders क्या है same. That's why the under root 98 is greater than under root 75 as orders of sets the orders of sets are same as the order of sets are same, or you can write down here the order of sets are same, so therefore under root 98 greater than under root 75. Before that write down the 98 greater than 75, so therefore under root 98 greater than under root 75. Now the starting number that get converted into the 98 is 7 under root 2. So 7 under root 2 is greater than 5 under root 3. 5 under root 3 से क्या है वो बड़ा है. Now second one. अब क्लियर हो गया आपको ग्रेटर कौन है 7 अंडर रूट 2 एंड 5 अंडर रूट 3 इज स्मॉलर. नाउ नेक्स्ट कंपैरिजन इज अंडर रूट 247 कॉमा अंडर रूट 274. नाउ हियर the sets are in simplest form and the order of sets are same here. So here comma order of ऑर्डर ऑफ सर्ट इज सेम. जो सर्ट्स है उसकी ऑर्डर क्या है सेम है. तो नाउ 247 स्मॉलर है 274 से. तो देयरफॉर अंडर रूट 247 स्मॉलर देन अंडर रूट 274. Just tell me student, is anybody having any doubts here? किसी को इसमें डाउट्स है क्या कि नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि व्हाट आर वी एक्चुअली डूइंग. ऐसा किसी को प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है क्या नहीं समझ में आ रहा है बिल्कुल. नूरबानो सानिया सभी को समझ में आ रहा है. और इज एनीवन हैविंग एनी प्रॉब्लम. Now see the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. 2 under root 7 comma under root 28. This is the question. Okay. Now we have to कंपेयर इट, इसको कंपेयर करना है। तो नाउ सी द सॉल्यूशन 2 अंडर रूट 7. So remember that when you bring the number which do not have the radical sign, and if you write under the radical sign, you have to put the radical sign, you have to draw the radical sign, and you have to square that number. Now see the 2, these do not have the radical sign, not under the radical sign. So if you write this under the radical sign, तो you have to square it. इसको क्या करना है, स्क्वायर करना है into under root 7. Now square of 2 is 4 and the both radicals have the same order. दोनों का क्या है, order same है. So that's why this will be written as 4 7 ja 28. Now see the second part of it. इसका जो second part है, what is the second part? Under root 28. Now see under root 28 and here also under root 28. So that's why both are same. 28 is equals to 28. So therefore 2 under root 7 is equals to under root 28. दोनों equal है. So equal sign will be put in between these two sets. दोनों sets के बीच में क्या होगा, equal sign. Next one 5 under root 5 comma 7 under root 2. Okay, now see the solution of it. 5 under root 5 is equals to, now here there is 5, so now square it and draw the radical sign into under root 5. Now this square of 5, 25 and under root 5. So 25 5 is 125. Okay, now 7 under root 2. Now bring the 7 under the square root. So square of 7 into square root of 2. So this is equals to 7 4 7 ja 49. 49 into under root 2 is equals to under root 98. तो here order of both sets is same. जो order है वो same है दोनों sets का. Here order of both sets are same. So therefore 125 greater than 98. Now so therefore square root of 125 greater than square root of 98, and under root 125 is nothing but 5 under root 5. So this will be greater than under root 7 under root 2. It's clear now? Clear हो गया student? Now see the question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is homework. ये homework है. Now look the question number 6. Question number 6 देखना है हम लोगों को. Question number 6. 5 under root 3 comma 9. See its solution. 5 under root 3 is equals to, now take the 5 under the square root. So now square it and under root 3, this is equals to square of 5 is 25 into 3. So this will become 25 into 3 is equals to 75. क्या हो जाएगा वो 75. And next number, now see the 9. So what I told you that when you bring the number under the radical sign, you have to square it. आपको क्या करना है, स्क्वायर करना है. So now 9 is equals to under root square of 9. So this will give you the 81, square root 81. Here the order of both sets, order of both sets are same, दोनों के ऑर्डर क्या है, सेम, and 75 is smaller than 81, so therefore under root 75 is smaller than under root 81. Now the 5 under root 3 is smaller than 9. It's clear now student, ये समझ में आ गया होगा सभी को. Now see the seventh one. In seventh question, the 7 comma 2 under root 5 is there. You have to bring the 7 under the radical sign and then you have to compare it. Okay, seventh one is the homework. ये भी homework है. Now next question. अब next question हम लोगों को देखना है. Question number 6. Simplify. Now simplify. Seeing the sign given between the two sets, we have to act accordingly. उसके according हम लोगों को क्या करना है, functions perform करना. Okay, if there is a positive sign, so we have to add the sets. If there is a multiplication, then we have to multiply both sets, and when there is division, so we have to divide, and when there is subtraction, we have to subtract. Okay, now see the first question under the question number 6. Question number 6 is simplify. Simplify means to make it simple. Okay, 3-4 नंबर अगर ऐड करना है तो उसको एक सिंपल नंबर मतलब कन्वर्ट कर देना, तो वो क्या हो गया, सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म हो जाएगा उसका. Okay, now see the question number 6, simplify. Now first one, 5 under root 3 plus 8 under root 3. Now the subtraction and addition, the sets have the same radicand and the sets should have the same order. Okay, then only we can add the sets. तभी हम ऐड कर सकते sets को. क्या होना चाहिए, क्या कंडीशन है, that set should have the same order and same radicand. सेम रेडिकेंट होना चाहिए, तभी एडिशन पॉसिबल है, अदरवाइज एडिशन नहीं कर सकते. नाउ लुक, 5 under root 3 plus 8 under root 3. Okay, now see the under root 3 and under root 3 कॉमन, ये दोनों में क्या है, इस कॉमन हियर, यहाँ पे कॉमन है, तो दिस अंडर रूट 3 कैन बी टेकन एज अ कॉमन and the number left by taking the under root 3 as common is 5, and in between them there is a plus sign and 8. So 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. So this is 13 under root 3. It's clear now. We can add the like sets or we can subtract the like sets. like sets में से ही subtraction हो सकता है, like set से ही क्या हो सकता है, एडिशन हो सकता है. रिमेंबर दिस. जैसे कि जब आप क्या करते हो, इक्वेशन सॉल्व करते हो, ओके, तो यू कैन ऐड, यू कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट ओनली द लाइक टर्म्स. सिर्फ लाइक टर्म्स को ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, तो वैसे यहाँ भी हम क्या कर सकते हैं, सिर्फ लाइक सेट्स को ही ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. Okay, now see the second question. Question number 2. 9 under root 5 minus 4 under root 5 plus under root 125. Okay, this is the second question. अब देखो यहाँ पे 9 अंडर रूट 5 क्या है, 9 अंडर रूट 5, नेक्स्ट 4 अंडर रूट 5. तो सी द अंडर रूट 5 अंडर रूट 5 is common in these two sets. ये दोनों सेट्स में अंडर रूट 5 क्या है कॉमन, बट हियर it is 125. तो फर्स्ट वी विल कन्वर्ट दिस सेट्स इनटू इट्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म, उसको हम सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. Then will we find out that it also have the common sets or not. Okay, now 9 under root 5 minus 4 under root 5. तो these two are in its simplest form. वो उनके किस में है, simplest form में है. 125, we know that 25 पाइजा 125. Okay, क्या होता है 125, 25 5 ja 125. Okay, now here the 25 is the perfect square of the 5, so that's why the 5 will come out and the 5 will remain under the radical sign. So you will get 9 under root 5 minus 4 under root 5 plus square root of 5 is 25 is 5, and here it is 5. Now look carefully here. This is the under root 5, this is under root 5, this is under root 5. ये तीनों under root 5 हैं. Okay, so now this under root 5 will be taken as a common. Okay, so this will be taken as common and the remaining numbers will be written in bracket. So now see this, before this under root 5 there is 9, and before this under root 5 there is minus 4, and before this under root 5 there is 5. Okay, 9 minus 4, first we will add